थोड़ा सा we'll take them in front. बंदे चलो
नन्ही सी चाल में पंखों सी बात है, बादल पे है कदम इनके, ख्वाबों की चाक पे हिरनों से दौड़ते, चंचल ये कब कहाँ ठहरे। सौंधी सौंधी खाक सी, बर्फियों की फाक सी, नाजुक और मीठी है ये मुस्कुराहटें। थोड़े सपने देखने दो, मन की आंखें सेकने दो, हल्की हल्की आँच दो ना जरा, दिल को भी अब खोलने दो, खुल के बातें बोलने दो, महकी महकी आस दो ना जरा। थोड़े से है चुलबुले, पल पल करते अटखेलियां। हो मस्तियों में घूमते, अपनी धुन पे झूमते, आंखों में लिए नादानियां, किरणों को ले जेब में, निकले सूरज बीच में, चप्पे चप्पे गूंजती इनकी खिलकारियां। थोड़े सपने देखने दो, मन की आंखें सेकने दो, हल्की हल्की आँच दो ना जरा, दिल को भी अब खोलने दो, खुल के बातें बोलने दो, महकी महकी आस दो ना जरा।
One second. No, excuse me. Can you just fix this one? Yes. So you know which fishes and all. Okay. Okay, wait.
Which fish?
So kids.
This is clownfish.
Okay. Yes.
Finding Nemo.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, hands behind. Okay, kids. They will get scared. See, it's a clownfish. Okay, everyone, hands behind.
If you are touching anything, we are
Wait.
back in
Yes. Listen, Kyra, stand.
Stand here.
Okay, children, first thing, we are not going to touch the tank. Everybody, your hands should be behind. Bhumish,
behind.
where is Bhumish? Hands behind.
Put your
Hands behind. Hands behind. Yes. Drish. Okay, we are
Stand in
not
line.
going to touch. Teacher is going to tell you, and even ma'am is going to tell us. We have pet animals right here. Yes. Listen.
Listen.
Yes. Listen, and then we can ask uncle. Okay.
Where are the listening ears?
It's okay. Afterwards,
Listening
children.
ears.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So where have we come, children? Come here, Bhumish. Come here. Come here. Come here. No touching the tank, children. Come here.
Careful.
So children, we learned about pet animals. Yes. We learned about different animals, right? So where are we right now? In the pet shop. And what can you see? Where do fish live? Water. They live in water. So let's not touch them and let's not hurt them. Okay, now ma'am is going to show us there are different. Yes. Yes. Eva, Swadhinta, please don't touch them. Okay, so what can you see here?
The yellow one.
There are some sand and water. They see that's. Wait. You can tell, please. Okay, kids, listen. Do we all breathe? How do you breathe? How do these fishes breathe? They have gills. Okay, can you see they have gills to breathe? And see how they are going in the water, they are swimming. They have fins and tails, right? They have fins and tails. So they are swimming. See how they are swimming and they are breathing through their gills. Can you see? And how are they opening their mouth? Yes, how are they doing? Yes. Correct, right.
Yeah.
Now see, they have tails, they have fins. So they live in water.
Nachiketa? No.
Yes, you can tell them in. So which fish is this, children? Which fish is this? It's a clownfish. Oh, I saw one more. Can you see? See there. See how it is moving so fast. Nachiketa, hands behind please. Bhumish, they are getting. Okay, come here. They will get scared. Kids? Okay. Kids, come here. Listen. Ishanvi.
Listen to ma'am.
Okay, now let's listen to ma'am. Ishanvi, come here. Yes. Bhumish, please. See, they are getting scared.
See, if you tap the glass, no, they will run away.
Yes. You want to see the fish, right? If you tap, they will go and hide. So let's not touch. Let them move. Okay. Yes, you can.
How many of you have seen Finding Nemo?
Have you seen the movie Finding Nemo? You saw the movie?
No.
Did you see this fish in Finding Nemo movie? What is the name of that fish? Which fish is this? Which color is this? Clownfish, yes.
Come
Yes. Wait.
Come. Stand in a straight line. They
Now
will be
let's.
able to.
Okay, let's listen to ma'am.
Come, we will make a hand.
Nachiketa, it will break. Please, Vinish,
Hands
hand.
and shoulder.
Now let's listen to ma'am. Come,
Hands and shoulder. Wait.
stand here.
Ma'am will tell you.
Hands on shoulder. Yes. Children, let's go home. Come, let's go back to school. Listen to ma'am. Ishanvi, wait. Yes, you can tell them.
These are all salt water.
They all
marine fishes. These are
Okay.
called marine fishes.
So what are these fish called, children? They are marine fish. Which fish is this? These are marine fish. You see in the ocean, right? The water, it's salty water. Yes, they live in the marine. So this is called marine fishes. It's clownfish. Which fish is this? It's a clownfish. Now we'll see other fish. Yes. Okay, let's not touch the tank, children. Go slowly and see the clownfish. Swadhin, Ishanvi.
This side. All of you.
Come this side.
1 second, I'll go here. Yes. Swadhinta,
Make a line this side.
Chalo, let's
Yes.
go to bus.
yes, we are
Let's
going
go
back.
to school.
Come, make a line. Good call.
Good. Come.
One.
It's water.
That is water. How will they breathe?
Okay, now no one is going to touch the fish, children. Okay. See. Okay. Now look here. Can you see? Look at the fishes. They are moving. See if teacher is going here. Did you see? We are not supposed to touch the tank. You just keep and you can see. Yes. Come. They are called aquatic animals because they live in water, right, children? So what are they called? Aquatic. Aquatic means water. Where do they live? What happens? Meenakshi, what will happen if we remove this fish out? They cannot breathe, right? If we remove from... They will close their eyes. They cannot breathe within the water, right? They are breathing through gills. They are in water right now. So we cannot. That is their home. They live in water. We all have our home to live. For them, it's water. They live in water. That is why it is called aquatic animals. Yes? Did you like the fish, children?
Yeah.
They all are marine fish. They live in ocean, in water. Yes? Have you seen that movie? What was the fish doing in the movie?
That baby, the moment that dirty fish, baby was go away and that funny fish come and it was funny.
It was funny. You saw?
like fish?
Come. Now can you see there are different types of fishes here? See, look at this one. It's so colorful. Can you tell me what all colors are there here? See? Let's not touch. Okay. You know, Kyra has this fish at home. Even she has a tank and she has... You also have? Okay, now look down and let's not touch that. Can you see? Look at the fish. It is so big. This one is?
Parrotfish.
It's a
Parrotfish.
parrotfish. You know which fish is this? Parrotfish. It is a... This one. Can you see the bigger one? Okay, we'll call other children now. Okay, look here, children. We have up also. This one is?
Raminos.
No, elephant.
Elephant.
This is a dolphin.
Dolphins.
Dolphin fish.
Oh, children, look here. This is dolphin fish. Look here. It's a dolphin fish. Can you see? That's so lovely. See, even they are so excited because you all are here. They all have come to see you. See, who are these children?
So can you please help them with names and all?
Yes,
Because
yes.
She knows now.
I know.
It's elephant fish. Sorry, dolphin. Dolphin. Okay.
Which
And
one
it's
is that? The big one?
Current mammal. Oh, it's a parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Cichlid.
We'll call others.
Have
okay?
you all seen that?
Yes, it's a
Big
parrotfish. Look down.
And it will
It will
bite.
bite.
Yes, because it's a big fish.
Chalo, come
And
out.
it gets angry. Yes. It's a parrotfish. Let's not, because if we trouble parrotfish,
Chalo,
parrotfish
come.
will get angry.
Meenakshi.
Go. Yes. We'll call others now.
Next five.
And this one is a parrotfish. It's a very big fish. Look, see, it is looking at you. If you trouble that fish, it is going to get angry. It gets.
Koi.
It's koi. Which fish is this? See, dolphin is here. This is koi and this is parrotfish. See? So let's not trouble. Look here. And look at this fish. It's oh yeah, this looks so colorful, right? Nice. Okay, no, let's not touch, okay? So this is the water. See how they are breathing. We have... Yes. Okay.
Did you know you can train fish
Yes.
to do tricks?
You want to do fish to do some... Have you seen... Okay. Fine. Come, let's go now. We'll call others. This one is...
Goldfish.
Oh, it's a goldfish. Okay.
It's a species. Malawi cichlid.
Oh, nice. Come. Balvinder miss other 5 children. Maybe next 5. Did you see Praniksha? You saw? Okay, now let's call others. Did you see?
Come.
Okay, come. Let's stand here. Let's see. It's so colorful, right?
How will become big?
Do we all eat food?
Yeah.
We are eating food and we are growing, right? Yes or no? So we have to give food for fish also. So they also eat food and then they are growing. But we should not give too much food also for them. We have to give little. Yes? Now see this dolphin fish here. Ridan?
Cannot see.
Come. Okay, wait. Ma'am is
I cannot
see from here. Go behind and see.
You can
See you coming. Can you see?
I cannot see.
Okay.
And this is koi
Carry
fish.
you.
You want to see goldfish, children? Look behind. Okay. Now look behind. See, there is goldfish. Come this side, Ridan. Here, this one.
See, a goldfish is here.
That's
See
it. See, ma'am is showing you.
See, this is a goldfish.
Goldfish. Fish. There. Okay, this is parrotfish. Which fish is this? No, we have 3. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 parrotfish. Yes. Yes. Okay, we'll call others now. Come. Very nice. Oh, there are many
Light is
other
on.
fish over here.
Light is on.
Slowly, children. Slowly get down. Okay, now don't touch the tank. Let's go. Wow.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yes. Bhumish, here. Come here. Children, please follow.
Saw the fishes?
Yes, it's very nice.
What are these? What are these?
What are these fish called?
Tiger fish.
Very good. It's a tiger fish. Can you see? Okay, let's not. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Come.
See, they are there. That side. Come, let's go, children. Come, let's go.
Look down.
Look down and walk.
Pritansh, come. You have to be careful when they are going. 20 children, no?
We'll see gold
Come on.
fishes. Come here.
Okay. Now let's listen. Come here, Dhiren. Come here.
Here we are gold fishes.
Okay. Now let's listen to ma'am.
Listening yours.
Yes. Drish.
Now we are going to see goldfish.
We have goldfish. You all want to see?
Goldfish is also called water piggies. Who wants to
Water?
see? Piggies.
Water piggies. Goldfish is also called
Who wants to
water
see?
piggies.
Make a line.
Come, make a line. Make a
Make
line.
a line. Fast.
But please listen to Balvinder, Miss. Wait, Swadhinta, go behind you.
Come here.
How many
Come.
children are there? Can you
3.
just count?
Slowly.
I'll send one more.
Yeah.
You want to see goldfish?
Come.
Yes.
Yes. Now wait. Swadhinta, you have to wait.
Okay. Come.
Wow.
Come. See.
There's goldfish inside.
Come.
What are they also called, children?
See.
Lovely.
Hey,
Nice.
you'll fall. You'll get hurt.
Huh?
Hey.
Nice, Meenakshi. You're liking it? You said you saw in Dubai, right? Wow, look up. Yes. You want to see angel fish?
Yeah.
That's angel fish, right?
Come.
See, we
Yeah.
have angel fish also.
Where is it?
That one, that's called angel fish. Yes.
Hey, look this.
These dolphins are here. Come, let's go.
This is sucker fish. Wait. See here.
Golden.
No. Sucker fish khana, food. This is food for sucker fish.
Yes, that's a food for sucker fish, children. Oh, you have put papaya also. They eat?
Yeah, they
Oh.
And look at
Did you see what is there in that? Which fruit is that?
Which fruit is
Which
this?
fruit is it?
mango.
It's
Mango?
papaya.
Papaya.
Yes. Bhumish, come, let's go. Nice.
They're all sucker fish.
Come. That's the food for sucker fish. Come, Ishanvi, wait, let's go.
Be careful.
Can you see this fish? You know what is that called? That's a sucker fish. So what the fish does, you know, it cleans the tank also. If there's something dirty on the tank, it cleans that. Can you see? Yes. That's a sucker fish. That is also a sucker fish. See, you can see one over here also. One here, one over there. Now there are Mama Dada. Bas. You
Can you
also.
see how big the fishes are?
Nachiketa, please wait.
Can anyone tell me which color fish is this? Which color is this?
This side.
Come.
Lines.
Form a line. Huh?
हाँ, look down. ये कॉर्नर ना लग जाए बस बच्चों को, वो एक डर मुझे.
Just stand in a line.
Okay.
Okay?
Come.
Come. God bless you. Come.
Ishanvi. Okay. Did you all see the fish, children? How was it? How? Did you see colorful fish? We saw small fish and big fish also. Yes or no? Yes. Can we say thank? Small to big. Yes. Small. So can we all say? Not like this. Bhumish?
First of all, when you say thank you, you should be thankful from
Yes.
inside.
Okay.
Don't shout.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Wait. Bhumish, can we wait? Okay?
You're welcome.
Yes. Okay? We'll give them card.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll click a.
I'll take a photo.
Yes. Come, we'll, So-
children's activity they have made.
so we'll give it to uncle. We'll say thank you.
Give to that uncle.
We have two. We have two. We have got both. Say, we'll say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.
Couple.
Yes.
So please come forward. So please come.
Yes.
Ma'am, you also come, please.
Very nice.
We'll give.
Children,
Sia,
thank you.
we'll say to uncle, we'll say thank you. Uncle, you can also please. Sir, please join.
So
Yes.
please come.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sure. Drish, Nachiketa, come here. Dridan, stand.
Okay, look there.
Haan.
Uncle is clicking photo, look there.
Everybody smile.
1 second.
How do you smile? Show the teeth.
Eva, stand here. Stand here.
Cheese. Everybody say cheese. Big cheese.
Cheese. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You can hang it in your cabin, sir.
Okay. Say bye to uncle also.
Lamp.
This is so cute. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.